can't. I can't.
Where does that one go?
I don't know.
You gotta touch the red and drag it over.
Yellow one.
Okay, get the yellow one in. You grab the purple.
I can't.
You want me to hold it so you can do it?
Yes.
Okay. Good girl. Try the green.
It's got.
Where does it go? Good. Oh, you got the red in the way. You got to move the red. Move it over. You can't touch two at a time. Let it go. Let it go. Take your finger off the red. Okay, now do the blue.
It goes.
It goes right there. You just got to fit it. Fit it in there. Good.
It's red.
Red? Where's the red go? There you go. Do the last one. Good girl.